We're gonna try out the Italian chicken sausage that we got from Trader Joe's. Ayun yung flour natin. Ayan. Ganda, no? I love having flour sa bahay. Ewan ko, nakaka-happy lang siya. Anyway, here's the sausage. It doesn't look appetizing, but tingnan natin kung masarap siya. I'm going to eat it with bread kasi magla-lunch, magkakanin kami ng lunchtime. So I don't wanna eat too much rice sa isang araw. So this sausage is fully cooked and nilagay ko lang siya sa air fryer for like 10 minutes yata. So yeah. First bite, it's not spicy at all for me. So I guess medyo relative rin kasi yung ano sa spice. But for me, it's not spicy at all. Ang ano ko lang, pero masarap. Ang hindi ko lang gusto sa mga Italian sausage is yung fennel seeds. I'm not a fan of yung fennel na taste. But I understand that you need yung fennel to create yung, you know, total lasa ng sausage. So, habang tumatagal, mas sumasarap siya for me. Kasi yung first bite, I was like, it's fine. Pero na mauubos ko na yung isang sausage. I like it. Nandun yung konting-konting spice. It's not spicy like yung ine-expect mo, but it's spicy enough na magkaroon ng parang, you know, like kilig na spice. So, yun. If you're, you know, wondering how this tastes, now you know. Wow.